this very moment, thousands of lives are just beginning, taking that first big step, ready to explore a strange new world. Life really is something to celebrate.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
In all its grandeur and all its abundance. It's the smallest insects, the most complex mammals, all perfectly adapted to suit their surroundings.
That is incredible.
And playing the roles that allow us to live together in a sustainable world. The mothers, the providers, the babies.
Oh, this is fantastic.
The fighters, the protectors,
Very deep.
the explorers,
I'm 60 miles south of the Arctic Circle.
A little beauty.
millions of species, billions of lives, all depending on each other to survive.
I don't think I've ever seen such an enchanting little family.
It's the most extraordinary spectacles,
What a fantastic sight.
the once-in-a-lifetime experiences. It's the wonders of life, happening each and every moment. Viasat Nature.